Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 004 AutoCAD practice 3. Switch to AutoCAD. Example 3. Create a new drawing with name project. Save project to address drawings. Set units. Set drawing limits format A3. Create new layer, rectangle, color red, line type, continuous, line weight 0.5 millimeters. Create new layers, circle, color yellow, line type dash, line weight 0.25 millimeters. Create new layer, color magenta, line type continuous, line weight 0.30 millimeters. Draw a picture. Let's start. First of all, you choose command new from menu file and then select file AutoCAD and then press button open. Secondly, from menu file choose command